In the process of restoring my daddy's car, we now come to the trunk area with the charcoal gray liner. I would have loved to have kept it the same, original, but at some point it developed a leak where a little water would get in the trunk area. It may have come from the rust area of the top. But anyway, that's repaired. No more leaks. So the liner has to come out. There seems to be a rubber mat at the base of the trunk area. I need to find another one to replace it. For this 1970 Mark III, the sound deadening material wasn't fancy looking. No aluminum, no fancy logos. It's kind of a brownish gray, at least the way it looks at this time, being 50-some years old. Another item they used then to deaden the sound was this like tissue paper tied up tight and then placed in the trunk over the wheel well in between that and the back quarter panel to help deaden the sound. As the old saying goes, give credit to whom credit is due. Online, I saw a father and son team, Brian and Blake, from Cross Creek Classic, and Blake put sound deadening material in the trunk. So thanks to both of them, which gave me the idea to do the same. Deck drains are found at the top part of your trunk area. They sit on opposite sides of the spare tire. The original deck drains were full of leaves and debris. They were distorted, so I replaced them. The exhaust system. I found a company that makes the exhaust system for the Mark III according to the original equipment manufacturer. I ordered it and it fit perfectly. I was especially proud that the Continental could finally have again the muffler resonators just like when it was produced. Actually, the shocks were okay on the Continental, but I still decided to replace them. The steering wheel. At some point in my daddy's lifetime, the rim blow steering wheel caught on fire. So that is the reason in one of the early videos I mentioned that the horn did not work. I found a company that restores that type of steering wheel, packed it off nicely in a large box, and shipped it off. It returned back damaged. I don't know if it was damaged at the shop or in shipping. It's a sensitive subject right now. The turn signal handle was broke in my daddy's car, so from the parts car, I found another one. I will admit, it's good to have a parts car on hand. It can save you a lot of time searching for parts and even save you some money. Stay with me. We're getting there, closer to the conclusion of J.L.'s car.